Hey ladies and gents, it's Shantae Rose, and I've been getting a lot of questions on how to start a lip gloss business for only $35. $35? Yeah, $35.50 to be exact. So let me show you how it goes. We got Blue Lagoon, we got Lemon Lime, we got the watermelon, we also got the strawberry kiwi, and we have citrus, right? So what you're gonna do is pick four flavors. It don't matter which ones, pick four, okay? And you're gonna get 3 each, so it's gonna be a total of 12. Now, let me break it down. For $35.50, you can get 12 juicy fruity lip glosses, but it's gonna come in a clear tube, regular clear tube, right? But if you're willing to spend $2 more, you can get your glosses in the white top tube, okay? For $41, you can get 1 tube. So we have gold, silver, and black in those, right? Now, let's say you sell your glosses for $6. Now, I'm not telling you to sell for $6. You can sell them at whatever price you want. But it's just an example. You sell them for $6, right? That's a total of $72. So you made your investment back. You made a profit. And you know, if you keep doing that over and over and over and over again, you got a bag. Now, I know it's nerve-wracking, you know, starting a new business. You know, you want it to go well. You don't want to spend too much. You want to have enough. You know what I mean? So that's why I created the lip gloss kits. So you can do the next option, which you get all 5 flavors, 4 each, for a little bit of an additional cost. But you know, starting off, you don't want to do too much, and we're in a recession, so I'm not trying to, you know, take your money. I'm really not. So this is a really, really good deal. I don't know anybody else that's doing it. So, you know, it's budget friendly, and you're gonna make your money back if you do it the right way and make a profit. Money. Click that link